Welcome to the latest edition of Relationship Tips. Today's topic: what love really means. Have you ever experienced this in a relationship? You're madly in love when your relationship begins. Then a few years later, you're wondering where all that love has gone. Well, you wouldn't be the first or last to experience this pattern. Sadly, many couples who suffer this feeling of love slipping away believe ending the relationship is the only solution. The myth that true love should come easy, without work, when picking the right mate is exactly what fuels this pattern. The relationship becomes stuck. Each person decides that their partner needs to change before the relationship will ever improve. And the result? An unhappy ending. However, if you are ready to break old patterns and discover love, try the following tips. Start by simply making love an action, not just a feeling. Every morning, begin your day by committing to behavior demonstrating love for your partner. Don't passively wait or hope love will happen. Make the decision to be intentional with your behaviors and expressions of love. Shift your thinking. Instead of, "What has she done for me lately?" Turn it around. Focus on yourself saying, "What can I do today that demonstrates my love for her?" Make your mission to learn how your partner truly feels loved by you. Then give those gifts freely. Commit to a new mindset. Also, it's perfectly normal to have days when you're feeling frustrated. Your feelings are meant to inform you of your own preferences and desires. Your feelings can also serve as a catalyst for behavior change, helping you break old patterns. So then, what does love really mean? Love is gratitude. Gratitude that someone wants to join you on this journey. Yeah, even on your bad days. Love is intentional. Love is unconditional. It's action-oriented. So until next time, remember, change happens best when insight is combined with action.